Sublimation printing has evolved from a niche hobby to a viable path for small businesses and serious hobbyists who want vibrant, durable transfers on a range of hard and soft substrates. The category combines dye sublimation hardware with specialized inks and paper to deliver high color accuracy, repeatable results, and scalable workflows.
List number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Super Tank Printer with Scan. The ET2800 is positioned as an accessible, cartridge-free all-in-one printer, leveraging Epson's EcoTank system with large ink tanks and refillable bottles. It emphasizes long-running ink capacity, low cost per page, and straightforward wireless connectivity, plus a built-in scanner and copier for light office use. It supports a maximum color print resolution up to 5760 by 1440 dpi and uses micro-piezo heat-free technology for sharp text and decent color reproduction on a variety of media. In the sublimation context, the device can handle heat press-friendly transfers via compatible sublimation paper, though it ships with standard dye-based inks and is not a dedicated sublimation printer. Its strength lies in cost efficiency and reliability for everyday documents and basic photo prints, with a modest speed profile up to 5 ppm color. Pros and cons reflect its general purpose orientation rather than specialized sublimation workflow.
List number 2. Brother Sublimation Printer. The mid-range Brother Sublimation Printer is listed at $429 with a focus on compact footprint and network-enabled operation. Details are limited in the provided data, but as a sublimation-capable device, it should offer reliable color output and compatibility with standard sublimation workflows, including Sawgrass-compatible inks or equivalent. The absence of a known brand and limited technical specs require cautious evaluation, particularly around ink system compatibility, warranty reliability, and support ecosystem. Performance-wise, expect solid print quality typical of budget sublimation devices with reasonable speed for small batches. The key decision factors will be ink compatibility, whether it ships with a proprietary sublimation ink or requires compatible dye sub-inks, substrate support, and software integration. For small business or hobby use, this device could strike a balance between upfront cost and production capability, but buyers should verify ink replacement cost, driver support, and ongoing warranty terms before purchase.
List number 3. 3D Sublimation Phone Case Heat Press Machine. 5-minute fast printing. This is a dedicated sublimation heat press machine designed for customized phone cases. It promises rapid 5 to 6 minute transfers on curved phone surfaces with intelligent temperature control and a one-button operation. The device targets a niche within sublimation, personalized, short-run phone case production, with a 15.35 by 9.8 by 4.72 inch form factor and 22-pound weight. It's a strong fit for operators prioritizing production speed and consistent results on curved surfaces, outside of traditional paper-to-textile sublimation printers. Performance-wise, the unit highlights intelligent temperature control to minimize warping and color shifts on curved substrates, which is a critical concern for phone cases. Given its dedicated nature, it is exceptional for hobbyists or micro-businesses focused on phone accessories, enabling predictable lead times and repeatable outcomes. However, it is not a general-purpose printer and will not substitute for flatbed sublimation printers or inkjet-to-substrate workflows. Expect a lower upfront material variety but higher throughput in its own niche.
List number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Super Tank Printer with Scan. This is the black variant of Epson's EcoTank ET2800 line, mirroring the white model in features and capabilities with the same cartridge-free design, high page yield, and integrated scanner. It emphasizes the same cost per page savings, long-term reliability, and flexibility for home and small office use. The color capabilities and print resolution align with the white variant, making it a redundant but relevant alternative depending on aesthetic preferences or cataloging needs. Performance-wise, the ET2800 Black shares the high page yields and dependable ink dealing approach of the EcoTank family. In a sublimation context, the device remains a capable auxiliary printer for proofs, mock-ups, and print-ready materials, while the primary production may rely on true sublimation printers or die-sub-capable units. The printer's 8.5 by 14-inch media support, flatbed scanner, and app-based control are valuable for a compact office/subset sublimation workflow, provided you manage inks and transfer materials appropriately. List number 5. Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer Bundle includes professional dye sublimation printer with 31 milliliter Sublijet UHD inks. The SG500 bundle is a professional-grade sublimation system aimed at small businesses and serious hobbyists who demand dependable color fidelity and a complete sublimation workflow. It ships with Sublijet UHD inks in a compact 8.5 by 14-inch printing envelope, true-to-life color reproduction, and access to the My Sawgrass design platform plus Sawgrass print utility for precise color management. The kit emphasizes a robust software ecosystem, dedicated sublimation inks and paper, along with Wi-Fi connectivity and reliable maintenance routines. Performance-wise, Sawgrass is known for consistent color accuracy and compatibility across substrates, aided by the Sublijet UHD inkset and TruePix sublimation paper. The SG500 supports prints up to 8.5 by 14 inches, with a bypass tray allowing longer job handling up to 8.5 by 51 inches in certain configurations. Users benefit from a cohesive software suite that streamlines templates, color presets, and job management. The trade-off is the higher upfront cost, smaller footprint, and a reliance on Sawgrass ecosystem for inks and media compatibility. This bundle suits users who prioritize predictable results and scalable design-to-product workflows.